There is a myth that colorful ombre lips are harder to do than the basic nude ones, but not after the tips and tricks that you learn in this video. So we're starting with a primer. This is an optional step, by the way. This is not the tip you necessarily need, and this will be useful for any lip combos. And after that, tip number one, pick the darkest color out of your trio. We're doing a triple ombre. In my case, this is this cool toned purple lipstick. This is Nebula by VE Cosmetics. If you want to use the exact same colors, and I really love these lipsticks, by the way, then you can use my code THEMIRRORBEAUTY with VE Cosmetics. It will give you a discount. And outline your lip carefully, paying attention to the outer border and not so much to the inner border. After you are finished with the contour, fill in the lips with the same color, which by the way can render a little bit bluer on camera, but it's a cool toned purple, not a blue. And then blend your lip line a little bit inwards until you get this result. Tip number two, pick the color that's going in the middle, the lime green. This is also VE Cosmetics Strange and Unusual. And this is important, wipe the sponge off like this so that you have approximately this amount of product left. You don't want to wipe it off completely because you need to apply it in the middle, but you will only need a small amount, and then you will need a clean sponge, well, fairly clean, so that you can blend it comfortably inside like this. And make sure you still leave a small gap in between, because after that you're going to pick a teal, wipe the sponge just like you did with the green, and this is LJ Beauty Teal Deal, and put it in the gap. This is trick number three. And by the way, if you're wondering why I chose teal, it's between purple and green on the color wheel. And if you want to know which colors will go well together for ombre lips, you can just download my free lip makeup guide, which is linked in the description. After that, you have the sponge left fairly clean so that you can blend the teal with the purple. The point of blending with the sponge is that you have little product left in it, but very little, so it's just perfect to blend. This way you blend first with the purple and then with the green. I'm sorry, the purple definitely renders a bit bluer on camera here, but I color corrected it the best I could. Don't be afraid to get creative with your lip makeup. It is so overlooked. I have a whole video on this about the lip makeup hypocrisy. I also linked it in the description box for you to watch after this one. If you feel like you over blended it either with the purple or with the green, or you just need to correct the lip line, take the lipstick. For example, here I take the purple lipstick, wipe it off almost completely, and for example correct the lip line so that you have the perfect crisp lips. By the way, you might have noticed that I overlined my lips here. They still look pretty natural. They don't look like a bigger mouth. And if you want to know the tips and tricks on how to do that, I absolutely have a video on this topic as well. And you can get the lip shape and the lip size and the fuller lips that you want without making them look unnatural. Just click this video right here and I'll meet you there. Bye.